So guys, what's up, it's your boy Arif back with another video. In this video we're gonna be making an old mouse and RGB mouse, so let's get started. So guys, in this video I want few things done on that mouse. First, some sort of vibro click, basically attaching a vibratory motor to one of the mouse, so it's so that whenever I click it vibrates, giving more realistic feel of shooting in FPS games. Second, we need some custom drilled signs, which is completely your choice, whichever sign you want to put, but I recommend not doing this on your own because I ended up making my right click button really hard to press. And third, of course, if I wanted to be a gaming mouse, then it also has to look like one, so I also will add RGB inside one of those custom drilled holes. So after smashing my head so many times, I finally was able to make this, and it also works, I mean sort of, cause I faced lot of problems first, like the vibro click, which I thought is still a dream cause the motor was sucking too much power from mouse and the USB doesn't support that, so yeah. And then when I closed it, I noticed that the right click button was very hard to click, so I definitely had to repair that, but couldn't find a way right now because the RGB strip that I smushed inside it was making the button pop out. The main sign gets pretty bright as compared to an actual RGB one, but the other side it's too dim, so I call it that side glow in the dark, as it really needs very less light in its surroundings to even show up. Now before I wrap up this video, I wanted to tell you something, that I am really sorry for not uploading videos regularly, and I hope that I post videos frequently. And I also have started a Discord server for you guys, link in description, so go check it out and tell me what you think about that. So guys, as always, thanks for sticking till the end. If you liked the video, press the like button, share this crazy video with your friends, and subscribe for more crazy content. For now, peace.